Presenting the boAt Stone 250 Bluetooth speaker. The speaker has a 5 watts RMS output for an immersive sound quality. The RGB LED equipped ultra portable speaker uplifts the ambience completely. The speaker comes with IPX7 water and splash resistant, which is appropriate for outdoors. It also features an inbuilt mic for a hands-free calling experience. The speaker comes with a lithium-ion battery with 800 mAh of capacity, which pumps out non-stop audio for up to 8 hours on a single full charge without RGB LED mode and up to 5 hours with RGB LED mode. The speaker is fully charged with 1.5 to 2 hours. The speaker is compatible with Bluetooth V5.0, TF Card and AUX. The speaker features smooth integrated controls with Type-C USB interface. It's available in black color. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.